Knowing good vocabulary is very important in writing. Using the perfect word in your sentence will help to make your ideas clearer. Try increasing your vocabulary by watching this video to learn how to use new words in sentences. The word promote is a good word to use in many essays. It means to help or encourage to exist, or it can also mean to advance in rank or honor. Promote is a verb. The company was ready to promote their new product. This means that the company wanted to help people know about a new product by promoting it. And here's another sentence. He was promoted to manager after 5 years at the company. In this case, the word promote means to advance in rank or position in the company. Promotion is the noun form. The promotion of the new product was going well. He was excited about his new promotion to area manager. The first sentence is talking about helping people learn about a new product, whereas the second sentence is using the word promote as an advancement in the job position. Promotional is the adjective form. The promotional material is ready to be used. The word promotional means to publicize something or help people learn about a new product or service. The promotional video needed to be updated. Promotable is another adjective form. The company had some very promotable new products being made. Promotable means that something is a good thing to encourage people to buy. She will soon be in a promotable position for vice president of the company. In this sentence, we're using the meaning for promote that there is an advancement in position. Promotability is another noun form. The promotability of the product was proving difficult. This would mean that the product was not very easy to promote for people to buy. We can also use this word with the other meaning for promote. His personality and superior skills made the promotability of the employee a sure thing. Promote, promotion, promotional, promotable, promotability. They're all good ways that we can use the word promote. Try using some of these words to help you improve your vocabulary. I hope you learned some good ways to use this word. Keep learning new vocabulary words to help you to improve your writing. Happy writing!